Good morning, children. Beta, today we are going to start chapter number 19, that is based on the simple interest and the compound interest. And this simple interest formula you have learned in or studied in class 7th also. What was the formula? Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, where P is the principal. Principal means the amount, which amount we are depositing in bank or in anywhere for increasing it. Okay, ऐसे अमाउंट जिसको हम कहीं डिपॉजिट करते हैं, फिर कितने टाइम के लिए हमने उसको डिपॉजिट किया, तो टी रिप्रेजेंट टाइम, आर रिप्रेजेंट्स रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, है ना. तो एंड ए मीन्स अमाउंट. ए मीन्स बेटा amount means after suppose 1 year at the rate of 10% interest, suppose we have deposited 1 lakh in the bank, and after 1 year suppose at the rate of 10% interest, suppose we are getting 1,10,000, then 1,10,000 will be the amount. Okay, and principal was 1 lakh. प्रिंसिपल कितना होगा 1 लाख, और जो हमको इंटरेस्ट के साथ जो मनी रिटर्न होगा बैंक से, वो हमारा क्या कहलाएगा बेटा, अमाउंट. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इन दिस चैप्टर. ओके, नाउ फॉर फाइंडिंग, so simple interest can be calculated by this formula as simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. If we would like to calculate P at that time, what it will be? Simple interest multiplied by 100. Okay, see that now. Simple interest multiplied by 100 or upon R into T, in this way. If we would like to calculate R, then it will be beta simple interest multiplied by 100 and divide by P into T. In this way, same way for the calculation of T, also the formula is written over here. Now we are going to start exercise 19.1 based on these formulas. Okay, see that beta, what is the question? First question, Ram borrowed a sum of money. Sum or principal are same thing. Ram borrowed a sum of money from Raman at 5%, 5.5%. So R is equal to beta 5, 1 upon 2%. Okay, and simple interest, this is 5.5 simple interest for 115 days. Okay, time is how much beta? 115 days. Okay, and if the interest paid is rupees 20, simple interest you have to given is rupees 20, what was the amount borrowed? Okay, what was the amount? Means you have to find that which amount he has taken from the Ram, for in which he has given 5.5 rate of interest for 115 days. Okay, so you have to calculate beta P. Okay, so you have formula simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, so we don't know, but time should be in year always. समय जो भी टाइम आपको है वो हमेशा किस में होना चाहिए? ईयर में होना चाहिए. तो अगर आपको डेज दिए हैं तो आप उसको किससे डिवाइड करेंगे ईयर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए? यू विल डिवाइड इट बाय 365, है ना. वन थिंग आई फॉरगॉट टू राइट, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू दैट थिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नोट. ओके, मैं आपको नोट की फॉर्म में दे रही हूँ कि आप कैसे चेंज करेंगे. इफ इट इज गिवन इन मंथ, देन इट विल बी डिवाइडेड फॉर कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू द ईयर by, you will divide the month by 12. Okay, and if it is given in weeks, then it will be divided by 52, because in 1 year 52 weeks will be there. Now see that beta, simple interest 20 is equal to P. We have to find R is 5, 1 upon 2. Time is 115, so time will be beta 115 divided by 365, and it will be years now, because while we will put the formula, time always we have to take in years only. Okay, so it will be 115 upon 365. So upon 365 will come down here, multiplied by 100 in this way. Okay, so it will be 20 is equal to P into 5 2 ja 10 or 1 11 into 115. Okay, 5 2 ja 10 or 11 upon 2 will come down here, 365 into 2 into 100. Okay, this will be the calculation. Now see that we are going to cancel it now. Now see that beta, we have to find P. So these will go here in multiplication. So 20 into 365 into 2 into 100 is equal to P into 11 into 115. Okay. So P will be beta 20 into 365 into 2 into 100 upon 11 into 115. Okay. 11 into 115. Now we will make them cancel. So this will be cancelled by the table of 5. 5 2 ja 10 and 5 3 ja 15. 5 2 ja 10, 0. Now still further cancellation cannot be done. Now what we will do, we will multiply the numerator part and divide it by, after multiplying it by the denominator part. Okay. So beta, when we multiplied the numerator part, we got numerator multiplication this and denominator multiplication this. Okay. And when we have divided it, we are getting answer 1154.15 rupees, and this will be your answer. So in this way you have to do, the questions are just very simple, based on the formulas only. Okay, nothing is there in this question. Only you have to put the values in your formula and you will get the answer. Okay, and now come to the beta question number 2. Now see that beta, question number 2. Atul gave Rani rupees 8,000 at the rate of 5% and received rupees 880 as interest. Okay, P principal is how much beta? 8,000, means the amount which we are keeping or giving to someone as the or borrowing from somebody, that will be as P. Rate of interest R is how much beta? 5%. Received 80 as interest, it means interest amount. Interest is how much? Interest, somewhere it is written interest or simple interest, both are same thing. Interest is as beta rupees 80. Okay, for how long? You have to calculate T is equal to what? I taught you the formula. T is equal to simple interest into 100 upon P into R. Okay, now nothing you will do, you just put the values here, you will get as time. So T is equal to beta simple interest 80 into 100 upon P is how much beta? 8,000. Okay, or into R is 5. Okay, so T is equal to beta, this 0 will become cancel. Okay, 8 1 ja 8. So T is equal to beta 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 year. Okay, 1 upon 5 year means, so 1 upon 5 year means it will be in the days. How long means the answer should come in days. So you will write that T is equal to 365 divided by 5 and its answer will come beta 73 days, and this will be as your answer. Okay, it will be your answer. Now come to the next question. Find the simple interest. What you have to find beta? Simple interest. Whatever the terms you have to given, you should write them first, then only you can be apply that which formula you have to apply. Okay, you are now see that on rupees 10,000, it means this is principal 10,000. Okay, for 4 years, time is 4 years. Okay, rate of interest is how much beta? R percent is how much? 5 1 upon 2%. It means 5 2 ja 10 or 1 11 upon 2% or. Okay, now simple interest formula you will apply for that simply. Okay, see that now see that answer beta. Okay, how we will do? P simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Simple interest will be 10,000 into rate of interest is 11 upon 2. So 11 will come in numerator and 2 will come in denominator, or into time 4 or upon 100. Okay, 4 years. So 4 1 ja 4 or 4 25 ja 100. Now you will cancel it. 25 4 ja 100 beta, and in front of that 2 zeros will come. Okay, 2 2 ja 4 200. Okay, so simple interest is equal to beta, what it will be? 200 into 11. So simple interest is equal to 11 2 ja 22 100 and this will be your answer. Now see that beta question number 4, calculate the time. Means what you have to calculate time t is equal to what? In which rupees 2500 would become 2750. It means this is principal p है ना, ये आपका क्या होगा प्रिंसिपल होगा और ये आफ्टर इंटरेस्ट के 2750 बन रहा है, यानी जिस जो हमको मीन्स इंटरेस्ट के साथ इंक्लूड होके मिलता है वो हमारा हमेशा अमाउंट होता है. इट मीन्स पी व्हाट बेटा विच वी आर डिपॉजिटिंग 2500. ए इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच बेटा 2750 है ना, एट एन इंटरेस्ट रेट ऑफ 8%. आर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच बेटा 8% पर एनम. नाउ अप्लाई द सिंपल फॉर्मूला. टी इज इक्वल टू सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इंटू 100 अपॉन पी इंटू आर. ओके, सो टी simple interest is how much beta? You just calculate simple interest. Simple interest formula is beta a minus p. A is how much 2750 or minus how much 2500. Okay, so 7 minus 5 250. So it will be simple interest will be how much beta 250. Okay, now put this value here 250 into 100 upon p is how much beta 2500 or into r is rate of interest 8. So 250 1 ja 250 10 times it will become cancel 10 10 ja 100. Okay, so 10 upon 8 that will be t 2 5 ja 10 or 2 4 ja 8. So it will be 5 upon 4 years and this will be your answer. Per annum it was written na, it was written per annum, that's why whatever the answer will come that will be annum means yearly, it will be 5 upon 4 years. Okay, now see that in question number 5 beta principal is given to you, interest is given to you, you have to find amount. To simply how you will do, a is equal to beta p plus I. P is how much 4520 plus I is how much beta 300. Okay, so it will be 5 plus 3 8 4 5 4 8 20. It will be your a is equal to amount is equal to this much. Okay, one more part from the question number 5th I am going to do. See that now see that beta p is equal to rupees 5000, a is equal to 6150. interest you have to find, so I is equal to beta a minus p. interest will be amount minus principal. Amount is how much beta 6150 minus how much 5000. Okay, so subtract it 0 5 1 6 minus 5 1. So interest will be beta how much 1150. So in this way in question number 5 somewhere you have to find interest, somewhere in principal, somewhere is amount. So rest of the part of this question you just perform yourself. Okay, and then we are proceeding to the question number 6 now. Now see that beta before going to the question number 6 I have given the note or important point of the chapter that if the time is given in the days, at that time you have to convert the days into the year. And how you will convert days into year, you will divide the given days divided by 365. In this way it will be changed in years. Same way if the time is given in the weeks, for converting it in years, what you will do, you will divide it by 52. Suppose you have to given 5 weeks, so in years time what you will write 5 upon 52 years. Okay, if time is given in month, for converting in years it will be divided by 12. Suppose 3 months is given and you would like to write in years, so you will write 3 upon 12 years. That will be 3 upon 12 means 1 upon 4 years. Okay, so in this way you will convert first of all time in years and then you will apply the formula. Now see that beta question number 6th. Okay, see that question number 6 now. The question is given to you in this tabulation form. In new books it may be question number 1. So sequence is changed, nothing, otherwise the questions are same, so no problem in that. Now see that beta, question number 6, principal, rate and time is given to you. You have to find simple interest and amount. So you will not do in the tabulation form, you will do the question in the question form as I am doing. Okay, first of all you just write the things which are given to you, and then you will solve the question in the same way as we were doing previously. See that now. Now see that principal is given to 8,000, rate is 8.5%, T is equal to 1 year. So here no need to change anything. You have to find simple interest. To apply simple interest formula is equal to P into R into T upon 100 beta. Okay, now see that how I am solving it. See that P is 8,000, R is equal to 8.5%, T is equal to 1 year. So simple interest is equal to what and amount is equal to what in question number 6. So simple interest formula, first of all we will apply P into R into T upon 100. Now see that I have put the values here in the question beta. Now see that how it can be solved. Okay, see that now we will solve it. So beta 8,000 into 8.5, this decimal will be removed, this decimal in this way. So it will be beta 8,000 into 85 into 1 upon 1000. Okay, so this will be cancel 0 0 and 0. Simple interest we are calculating. So simple interest is equal to beta 85 into 8 multiplied 8 5 ja 40, carry 4. Okay, 8 8 ja 64 plus 4 68. It will be your beta simple interest. Now what you have to find? Amount. Amount is equal to P plus simple interest. P was how much beta? 8,000. Okay, P was 8,000. Simple interest is how much? It is coming 680. Now add them. This will be your amount is equal to 0 8 6 8,680, and this will be your answer. So in this way beta, rest of the parts of the questions are also same. See that in each question. Okay, now see that in each question of this question number 6, you have to given same thing, principal, rate and time, and you have to find the simple interest and the amount. So in the same way you will solve the problem. Please don't directly make the table and don't fill the answer. I need solution as I have done. Okay, in your copy I need the same solution. One different part of the question I am taking. Okay, and then rest of the part you will perform yourself. See that now. Now see that beta, in E part last part of the question I am doing now, and rest of the part you will do yourself. Principal is 10,000, rate is 8%, time is 3 months. Okay, but our formula time should be in year only. Okay, so how we will do? 3 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 4 year. So this will be the value of time now. Okay, so simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, so P is how much beta? 10,000 into R 8 into time 1 upon 4 will go in the denominator or into 100. So simple interest is equal to this. Okay, now see that beta, this 20 will be cancelled, 4 and 100 will become cancelled 25 times. So 25 8 ja 200. Okay, simple interest is equal to 200. Now you have to find what beta? Amount. You have to find simple interest is equal to what? Okay, and amount is equal to what? So amount will be beta P plus simple interest. So P is how much beta? 10,000 plus 200. So what will be your answer beta? 10,200. This will be your amount. So in this way your question number E also have completed. Rest of the part of the question are same, so you do them yourself. Now we are going to solve the question number 7. That is also in tabulation form, but you have to do the complete solution. Okay, one part of the question I am doing, and rest of the part of the question you will do yourself, because you need to practice them. Okay, beta, in the rest of the part of the question number 7, what you have to do? You have to given simple interest in each part of the question, time you have to given, rate you have to given. Okay, and principal you have to find. I taught you in the beginning of the topic that P can be find that simple interest multiplied by 100 upon simple interest multiplied by 100 upon R into T. This was the formula. Simple interest is how much beta? 1150 multiplied by 100. Rate of interest is 5% or time is 3 years. Already given in here. So make them cancel now. It will be cancel 25 ja 100. Now 3 3 ja. No, it will not be cancelled now. Okay, so 3 will remain here. Okay. It will be 1150 into 20 divided by 3. See that now what it will come. So beta, if you will divide it, it will come P is equal to 7666.66 and this will be your answer. Okay, so in this way, in the all part of the question, you have to find the principal values will be changed. Okay, so B and C part you will do yourself. Question number B and question number C part of this question you will do in your homework. Okay, now I am going to the D part of this question. What is that? Simple interest is how much beta? 82 rupees. Time is 73 days. Okay, but I taught you that it should not be in days. So what you will do? 73 divided by 365 years it will become now. Okay, because our time always it should be in years. Rate is equal to how much? 4%. Now apply the formula. Again same formula you will apply. P is equal to simple interest into 100 upon R into T. Okay. Now see that simple interest is how much beta? 82 into 100 upon R. Rate of interest 4 into T. T means beta 73 and 360 upon 365 it will go in numerator. Okay, so P will be this one. Now make them cancel. Whether they are becoming cancel, it will be 25. Okay, and see that if you will divide 365 by 73 5 times it will be cancelled. So here nothing will remain in the denominator. It will be 82 into 25 into 5. P is equal to this. So P will be beta 82 into 25 5 ja 125. Now multiply them and whatever will come that will be your answer. So its answer will come beta 51500. 51500. This will be your answer. Okay. So rest of the part B and C part of question number 7 you just perform yourself. Same way now we are coming to the question number 8 now. Now this is beta question number 8. Principal is given to you, amount is given to you. In each part of the question, simple interest you have to find. You know that beta what is the formula for the simple interest. Now it should be learned to you. Okay, simple interest is equal A minus P. A is how much beta? 22,000 minus 20,000. Okay, so it will be 2,000 simple interest. Simple interest will be 2,000. First part of the question has completed now. Okay. First part of the question has completed. Now time is equal to 2 years. Rate of interest you have to find. So R is equal to simple interest into 100 upon P into T. Simple interest is how much beta? 2,000 into 100 upon P. Principal is how much? 20,000. Okay, or into T is 2 years. Now make them cancel. This 0 will become by the cancel. Make them cancel. Okay, and this one by this one. 2 5 ja 10. 2 and 2 will become cancel. So R is equal to half 5% per annum and this will be your answer. So see that how simply the questions can be solved. Okay, now in the B part already time is in years. I am doing now C part because days part day also I have taught you in the previous question how you will solve the D1. Okay, so B part of the question will be your homework. Okay, I am taking now C part of the question. Okay, C part, here see that C part what is there? Principal is equal to 600. amount is equal to 675. So simple interest will be how much beta? A minus P. It means 675 minus 600. So it will be how much beta? 75 rupees. This will be your simple interest. Okay. Now time you have to given 1 year and 8 months. Time is how much? T is equal to 1 year and 8 months. Okay. So 1 year is okay beta. So it will be right 1 year, 8 months will be converted into year. So 8 upon 12 year now. Okay. So 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So it will be 1 2 upon 3 year. See that how I am converting it. Okay. 8 2 upon 3, 1 2 upon 3 year. This will be time. So 3 1 ja 3 or plus 2 5. 5 upon 3 year it will be become time as. Okay. Now see that which rate you have to find. R is equal to what? Now apply the formula. R is equal to beta simple interest into 100 upon P into T. Okay. So R will be simple interest we got just now, we have solved 75 into 100 upon P. We have given 600 or time we have to given 5 upon 3 years. So 5 will upon 3 or upon part will go in numerator 3 in this way. Okay beta. Now see that 5 20 ja 100. Okay. Or this 0 will cancel by this one. 2 3 ja 6 30. 3 10 ja 30. So R will be beta 75 upon 10 is equal to 7.5%, and this will be your answer. So nothing is difficult in these questions beta. Okay. Now beta in the last question, that is question number 9, find the time in the following cases. Okay. Now beta in last question, what you have to given in all part of this question, principal is given to you, simple interest is given to you, rate you have to given, and you have to find time in this question. So for time I taught you the formula. T is equal to simple interest into 100 upon P into R. This you will apply. Okay. Now see that we have put the values for each part, whatever we have to given. Simple interest into 100 upon P into R. Now make them cancel. This 0 by this 0 and 0. 7 5 ja 35. 5 2 ja 10. 0. 5 4 ja 20. So T will be beta how much? 4 years. So in this way, these are the simply you can solve them. Okay. Now B, C and D part of this question you will do yourself. Okay. B, C and D part of the question you will do yourself, and in this way your exercise 19.1 has completed, and in next video of the same topic we will start now compound interest. Okay. Till that, have a good day to all of you.